Well, good morning everybody. We are over at the Caravan at the moment. A few weeks ago, Caravan for Gossip showed us how to fit one of these. It's a Fiamma door lock, and we thought we'd just see how easy it is to fit as well, because we decided we wanted to buy one. So we'll just let the camera roll and see if it is easy. Okay, so first of all we've got to choose where to put it. Yeah, that looks good enough to me. Someone said to us online that they didn't think the screws were much cop, but are we finding them they're alright, Rich?
At the moment.
Apparently they kept breaking, but they look perfectly good enough to us at the moment. Screws still alright?
Yep.
When people say it's a 5-minute job, I think they're right, because this has been done in 5 minutes 25 seconds. We'll just make sure it does work. Now that is a 5-minute job. How much was that, Rich?
About 40 quid, I think.
And 40 quid to make your caravan even more safer seems very worthwhile to me. And we are complete amateurs and we fitted it on in 5 minutes.
All good.
Excellent. Okay, I'll just look at it closely. As you can see, it's quite a substantial lock on it. Excellent. Well pleased with that. Anyway, see you soon. Okay, the other job we're doing over at the Caravan today is we have trouble with these hang on a minute, with these catches on these doors. As you can see, that one works fine. No, it doesn't. That one's spasmodic. This one just doesn't work. Nor does that one. And that one does as well, occasionally. Anyway, we're going to replace them. Again, hopefully it's just a 5-minute job. As you can see, it's just a couple of minutes just to change over. Simple job. How much were these each, Rich?
About 2 quid.
2 quid for about a shut-in cabinet. Well worth it. A couple of minutes work on each one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, we'd just like to say thank you to Ian from Caravan Gossip for giving us the idea for this. We think it's great. It was so easy to fix, it was untrue, and we're just locking up the caravan now because job's done for today. Thanks for watching.